guys, Donny's Hot Tips here. Now today we've got something a little bit different. We're doing an unboxing of a Nutri Ninja Auto IQ. Okay, so what it includes, well, you don't need to know about that because that's why you're here watching the video, to find out what actually includes. Load it up. Nah, we don't need that. That's bad information, just forget about that. That's why you're here for Donny's Hot Tips. Alright, open this bad boy up. Alright, what we got here? That's the booklet. That's all rubbish. That's all. Look, have a little look here. Oh, look, it's open up for you anyway. Alright, rubbish. The manual. We don't need that. That's why you got Donny's Hot Tips, guys. We don't need to go through this manual. You just need to look at the video. Alright, now that's the recipe book. Donny's Hot Tips will do you some recipes, boys. We don't need that either. That's just rubbish. It's junk. Alright, junk. Alright. Now let's pull this bad boy out. Oh, a bit of weight now. There we go. Just put it down here. Alright, that's it. Put the box down. Alright. There's the cord. It comes with a little child-proof thing. You just pull that off like so. There we go. We don't need that. Alright. More junk. Alright, what do we got here? We got a nice big large cup. Alright, take that out of the plastic. That looks alright. A little bit too big. I don't think I'm ever going to use that, but we'll put that off to the side. What else have we got here? Alright, this is a smaller cup. This is a bit more reasonable. That's a bit more of a reasonable size to get nice and healthy. It's got the one blade in there. That looks pretty good. Alright. Put that over there. What else we got? A smaller cup. This is more like it. No one's ever going to use that big cup. They're having a laugh. This is what you want. Just a nice little cup like this size. There we go. Oh, look at that beautiful little logo there, eh? Ooh. Alright, what else have we got down here? Oh, that's that must be the lids. There must be the lids for the cups down here. That's your plastic lids. That'll probably dishwash safe. I'm pretty sure it would be. Alright, we'll put it on so you can have a little look. There's the cup. I'm pretty sure it'll just screw on. Oh no, you just push it on. There we go. It's got a little cute little lid there. You just pop that open like a little sipper cup. There we go, see? There we go. What we got here? More rubbish, more rubbish. Just the other lids for the other ones. We don't need to go through that. Lids, rubbish. Here's the bad boy itself. Here we go. Look how they wrap it. Wow. Alright. Let's get stuck into this. We don't need it. I don't know why it's got little breathing holes for. I don't know what that's used for, but anyway. It is what it is. Alright, here we go. That one just tear that open. There we go. We don't need that. Oh, everything's always so tough. There we go. Chinese really know how to wrap these things. Alright, there we go. There she's out. Look at that. So you got the stop and start button. The pulse, that's the one you just hold down to blend. There's a blend button. No, you're never going to use that. That's just for all your soft stuff. You don't want that. You want this one that's here, Ultra Blend. That's the big hard one. That's what you want. And there you go. Plug it in, give it a go. Eventually I'll take this sticker off. We don't want this sticker. That's hate stickers on everything. They're for little kids. Alright guys, there's the unboxing of it. I'll see you on the next one. Let me know if you want to see more unboxing videos and we'll go from there. And hopefully I'll put out some recipes for you guys in the next couple of days. That's Donny's Hot Tips, signing out. See ya.